Hey guys, how's it going? How to make Discord server. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up my Discord app. And as you can see, this is the interface of the app. Now, as you can see on the left toolbar, you're gonna see like a plus button, the last option highlighted in green. Click on the plus button right here, and now you're gonna create your server. So please select your template. If your server was a gaming server or a school club, study group, or friends or artists and creators or local community. So in my case, I'm going to just create my own and select the two options, either for personal reasons or for kind of like a circle friends kind of thing, or you can just select club and community. So in my case, I'm going to choose the first option, and then you're going to name it the server. Okay, and then add the photo of that server, and then just go ahead and hit create. Now you just created your server. If you want to invite some people, just go ahead and copy the link that's been given to you by Discord, and then share it to or share it across social media. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.